everyone, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and I have a yarn haul, but not just any yarn haul, guys. I've got a yarn haul from Ice. My Ice order came. How exciting is that? So I'm going to open it up. I've even got prices for you, and it's all cottons and I'm so excited. I could crush a grape. So it didn't take as long to get here as my first order did, and that is because obviously when I placed my first order, which must be about 12 months ago now, it was during COVID, the start of COVID, so I waited quite a while for it to come. Oh my god, I've got bags, ice bags. Look at them. Oh look, I've got a load of ice bags. I might send them. Oh guys, I'm so excited. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am. So you're going to have to just bear with me a minute while I get it all undone. I ordered lots of cotton. There are, just to warn you, there will be some crinkling, guys, and for that I do apologise most profusely. So the first one I've come across is the Pure Cotton Fine, and the Pure Cotton Fine in white was £8.83 for a pack of 4, which was $10.99 US dollars and $14.73 Canadian dollars, and it is, look at that, it is 100%, let me see, 100% cotton, the 50 grams, and it's a 2 weight. So I'm just going to keep them in the bag. So I got 2 packs. Sorry guys, right, I got 2 packs of the navy, I got 2 packs of white, it's a bag within a bag, guys, would you believe it? Look at that, a bag within a bag. So let's see what we've got, let's see what we've got. Sorry guys for the crinkle. Okay, so I got, again, this is the super fine, pure cotton super fine, and I got 8 of those. That's the turquoise. I got the peach as well, and these are all 50 gram balls, 2 weight yarn, and it is so soft, really really nice. So I've got all them. I'm just going to tick them off. So as I said, the price for those were, let me see, oh, that's light salmon, that one, guys. So I got the light salmon, I got the turquoise, I got the navy, and I got the pure white, and that was $14.73 Canadian dollars, $10.99 US, and it was £8.83 for me. What else did I get? I got this yarn, which is the Bamboo Soft Fine, and this is cream, and again the same prices as the super fine, and these are, let me see, they're packed tight, guys. Right, okay. So this is bamboo and acrylic blend. So soft, so soft, smells really nice. 100 grams, 300 meters, it's a 2 weight, and 3 millimeter or a US 3 needle. So I got the cream, and I got the lilac. Whoops. And then I bought this linen. It's linen light blue. And this is, I got linen light blue and I got the white in this, and this was $5.42 UK pounds, $6.74 and $9 for Canadian. So I got the real nice blue, and there are, let me see, it's 50% viscose, 50% linen, 50 grams, and I got 300 grams, and again 3mm hook, and it's a 2-weight too. And you know, two weight, 1 weight are my favourites, and I got the white as well. And then let's see what else did I get. Sorry about the crinkling, let me just take these out. Let me take these out. And I got this one, which is Baby Lollipop. So I've got them. Let me see. I got, this is Baby Lollipop in cream, turquoise and brown. So it's a mixture. Let me see if I can take one out to show you. And that's that. And there is, this is 100% acrylic, guys. This is the only acrylic that I bought. 100 grams, 360 meters, 3 to 3.5 millimeter needle or hook, and it's a 2-weight as well. So I really like that. And turquoise and brown and blues and browns are my favourite colour combinations. So that's that. And then I saw this, guys. I saw this. And this is silk merino hand dyed. This one is the sky blue, and this one is called the camel. This was £16.6 for four hanks. That was British pound, 19.99 US dollars, and 26.80. I'm just going to take one out, so excuse the crinkle. And there are 50 grams in here, and I've got 330 meters. It's a 2-weight, but I've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 1,000, and I've got well enough there to make a shawl or a poncho. It's really nice and soft, and I think I will definitely be buying some more of this, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. And it's 80% superwash merino wool with 20% of silk, and it is so soft. I really like it. I wanted it to go with, I think those two colours together will look amazing. Don't you think? I think they will look absolutely fabulous together. So that is my yarn haul from Ice. I'm so chuffed to bits with it. I really like this. I will definitely be ordering some more of this. Really, really nice it is. 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's 1,200, and oh, come on, Linda. So I think I've got about maybe 13, let me just get my pen. Yeah, I've got, my brain just wouldn't work, guys, so I've got 13 1,200 yards in each pack, which is plenty to make a shawl or a wrap or a poncho even. So I'm really, really pleased with what I've got. With taking into the price of the yarn and the price of shipping and import tax as well, and I got 64 separate skeins. Each skein came to a cost of £2.86. So I got 4 of these, so that's, say 3, 6, 9, 12, so that's 12 English pounds. Well, it's not quite 12 English pounds, but it's near enough, and I think that's really good price for this yarn. Really is, when you consider, when you think you can pay at least £16 here in the UK for one skein. Yeah. So, and that is 1,320 meters, so it's going to be more than that in yards, and I don't know what the yardage would be. So on the whole, I think I did very well for £2.86, and I know I couldn't buy a skein, you know, a skein of yarn for £2.86. Not of cotton anyway. Cotton, you know. So, and the prices are going up ridiculously, aren't they, guys? So that, guys, is my ice yarn, and I'm absolutely chuffed to bits. Oh. So I'm saving up now to get my winter yarns, because I think it'll be cheaper for me to order my winter yarns, and if they only take, what, 2 to 3 weeks to get here, that's win-win for me. So yeah, so I'm saving up now for August, and when August comes I'll start and order my winter yarns. So thank you so much for watching. I do apologise about all the crinkling, and there's nothing I can do about that, but thank you so much for watching. And have you got any ideas what I could use all this delicious scrumptious yarn with? That'd be great as well, so leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're new here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so every time I upload a video you'll get notified. And that's it from me, one happy, excited girl. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Bye.